What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Martin and I am here with my very first episode of Martin Monday's Motivation. So as I did say that this will be a segment where I will be sharing my thoughts and stuff like that about certain things in life. And on today's video, what I want to talk about is the issue of people not wanting to take care of themselves, mainly because there's public perception of how people should live when they are making money. The very first example that I do have is that a lot of people often say that, Mark Zuckerberg actually doesn't wear like designer stuff. He doesn't wear clothes, yet he has money and stuff like that. I would really say that that's specifically him. He's the one that actually decided to live like that, but don't now adapt and adjust to his system of living, because he's way ahead of you and he actually started building his finances and money a long time ago. Now, the very first thing that I want to say as you are on your journey and quest of making money is that if you look clean, people are going to take you seriously. If you smell nice, people are going to take you seriously. So the very first thing that you need to do when you start making money, start investing in your image, because it is in how you look that people are going to start taking you seriously. So people need to start dressing nice, people need to smelling nice, people need to looking representable enough for other people to start taking you seriously. There's certain deals that you can sign just by how you look. There's certain people who can respect you based on how you look. So Mark Zuckerberg is only respected because of who he is, not of how he looks. We know that he's the greatest man that has ever done whatever that he's done, but also looks aren't that important to him. But to you, are looks not important to you? I mean, you can think about it. If you come to me wearing the same t-shirt for like 7 days a week, I would really look at you in a different way. So start investing in the little things that will prove to us and that will even motivate you enough to say that you are working. So on today's episode, this very first episode, let's deal with how you look on the outside, so what you have on the inside of you can be projected to the outside world based on how you look on the outside. So let's come and do the right things, and I hope you guys enjoyed this very first series. Let me know what you'd like for me to talk about on the comment section, and let me know what you think about today's video. But other than that, we are Dr. Martin and I'm signing out. Peace out.